day 3 from Sedona, and this is hike number 4 now. We are starting at Sugarloaf again, but this time we're doing the Teacup Trail. So we're gonna go all the way to Coffee Pot Rock and then head up on Soldiers Pass Trail, go to the 7 sacred pools, and then turn around and come back.
Update.
Well, we're about 2 miles in.
Yep.
Lots of mountain bikers on this trail.
We've seen 4 or 5. Not bad. Yeah, but caution if you're coming from the Sugarloaf Trail head that it is all downhill, which means on the way back,
It's uphill.
it's all uphill.
And you know how I feel about that.
And it's already 80 degrees out, so
It's a little warm.
caution. So, alright.
But we're gonna keep on trekking.
Almost to Soldiers Pass Trailhead, and then up to the 7 sacred pools, and see how far we take it until we run out of water.
Luckily, there is some tree cover though, which I was surprised about, so that makes me a little happy. And there's a good wind going.
Yeah.
So.
All right, let's go. All right, we've made it onto Soldier Pass Trail, and a little bit up to the 7 sacred pools. Alright, that was it from the 7 sacred pools. Alright, and now
We decided to turn it around and head back because we've got a lot of incline to do.
yep, 3 miles back to Sugarloaf Trailhead.
And it's already like 80 plus.
Yep. Ah! Hey,
Back on the teacup.
let's go uphill.
Oh, and time to go up. And we made it up. Here we are, back at the top of the Teacup Trail.
Sugarloaf.
Now we just gotta head back down to the Sugarloaf and back to the trailhead and then walk back to our house. done.
that concludes the Sugarloaf Trail, Teacup Trail to Soldier Pass Trail to 7 Sacred Pools Trail to
Holy moly.
whatever.
That's a lot.
And check the phone, and it said 5.4 miles in 3 hours. So, not a bad hike. Yeah. I would encourage people to go early AM because there's no shade. So.
And take a lot of water.
Yep.
Because it gets hot out there and there's not a whole lot of tree cover.
Yep. All right. Thanks for joining us today in our southwest of Pacific Northwest adventures.
Deuces.